Welcome back to the channel. This is Anas Ahmed, and do you know how to create card stack in Figma like this? Let's do it. Let's make frame for our stacks. So I would write something. Want to make card stack. Okay, and what I'll do is let's make a card. Simple one. Give it a corner radius of 20. Fill it with some light shades of colors. You can fill it with like this. I'll rotate it a little bit so it'll look like card. Add some styling and effects. So your basic frame is ready. A text and a card layout, and now we're going to make it in. We'll create a height for this. We'll increase the height so we can, whenever we scroll, it will not go up. It will should stay in your screen. So it's just for measurements. What you have to do is just duplicate this frame again and add auto layout. Okay, now remove these text for the other two frames. Adjust your card's colors a little bit. Now what you have to do is go to prototype, make the position sticky of this frame. Now, similar to these both, sticky at top edge. So all the section will be sticky when scrolling, and it will go at, stick at the top of the page. So whenever you scroll, it'll stick at the top of the page, and it'll make like it's stacking over multiple cards. It's basically stacking over sections. And then what you can do is you can create another section just to see what's going on here. And you can write, isn't that amazing? You can write, isn't that amazing? Whatever you can write. I'm just telling you how to make a card. So now you have this. Now we have to play it. Let's see what we have here. Now the first frame, every frame is sticky at top edge. So whenever you scroll it, what it'll do, the other frame will come into the play and it will look like this. The card is stacked over it. Now the other frame will stack over again because the frame is transparent all over, so it's stacking over each other. Now it looks like a card is stacking. It's very simple, right? And then the other section came because it was not sticky at the top edge, and it'll go back and forth like this. Isn't that amazing? You can add something like this. Let's freaking go. And you can make something like that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like the tutorial. Please follow and subscribe because I'm trying to help out the community. Goodbye.